One of my favorite resources was probably visiting the Vecinos Unidos. It was like our second week of being on the bus, and I remember just being kind of taken aback when we went and there's just all these people waiting for us outside this little community library, and I was kind of confused if these were the people we were meeting with, because we were supposed to meet with just their kind of like organizer, Timo. But I just remember being like taken by how excited and passionate they were about sharing their story, and how they had grouped together to form this unifying voice that really did incite change, which I kind of have never seen, at least in the communities I'm coming from. So that was really, really powerful and cool to just have that be one of like the first things of the bus, and to really get a good introduction to how powerful community can really be. So